Growing meters long off the seafloor is a show of deep-sea fireworks that delights the eyes of anyone lucky enough to spot them.
It's not something you see every day. That's amazing.
If there's one benthic sighting that always makes our team gasp in amazement, it's the stunning Iridogorgia coral. Learn more about this deep-sea soft coral in this episode of Nautilus Field Guide. Within the family Chrysogorgidae, there is a genus of soft corals named Iridogorgia, sometimes called firework corals. There are 16 species in the genus, and they can be found across the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, sometimes over 2,000 meters deep. The Latin name Iridogorgia references the Greek iridos, or iris, which refers to rainbows and other circular color patterns. Sometimes these corals even have iridescent branches reminiscent of their name's origin. Iridogorgia are easily recognizable for their distinctive large spiral silhouette. Their twisty shape is caused by a monopodial axis and long flexible branches extending from one side. These massive animals can grow over 5 meters long thanks to their flexibility and unique shape. Some of the larger corals can even be hundreds of years old. Like all corals, Iridogorgia are suspension feeders, filtering out small food particles that float by in the water. Scientists speculate that their specific shape may optimize currents and microhydrodynamics to maximize their food intake. Iridogorgia are octocorals, meaning each polyp has 8 individual tentacles that it uses to catch food floating by. Here is a close-up of Iridogorgia's polyps, tiny individual zooids connected by thin tissue that serve as individual feeding structures. These spiral wonders are also important ecosystem engineers in the deep sea. Iridogorgia corals create the perfect intricate structures for associates such as sea stars, hydroids, crinoids, and even crustaceans to live on while they filter feed food from the water column. This one here has been cohabitating with a ctenophore. Iridogorgia are certainly some of the most beautiful and impressive deep-sea corals we spot while exploring with our ROVs. So stay tuned here for even more amazing ocean biodiversity spiraling its way onto your screen.